Look, I ran into another thing across the street from the shop. I'll show this one. I don't want to get the child's face on it. Can I show? Can I show on YouTube your bird? Look, turn around. Your bird. His bird, you all. His bird, look. Come. You don't want to come now. He came to me the last time. Come. He come to me the last time, you all. Was very handsome bird. You don't want to come? Let's see. Come. He came to me the first time. Yes, my little sister. A boy and his bird. That is great. The bird came to me the first time and stepped on my finger and jumped on me and everything. Came back. I went in and finished eating and everything while I was in the shop and came back out. The bird didn't want to come to me this time. But it's all good.